Well, before we get to the knife that I want to talk about in this video and show you, here's a great antique Navaja. This one's nice and big. We're about to see a slim one, but both are very characteristic of what is essentially the original combat folding knife. And here are some exquisite ones I was checking out in Toledo, Spain this summer. Toledo, Spain was a famed knife, sword, and armor-making center in Europe. Did I buy myself one while I was there? Well, you bet I did. And let's unbox it and take a look. Made by Muela, as you can see. Now, this is a small one. It's just a little pocket knife, but that helped with transportation and most especially cost, because I don't have unlimited funds. Here's my best attempt at a one-handed unboxing, by the way. I was just holding the phone with the other one. As you can tell, I'm not on my usual workspace, although we will move there in a sec. And there we go. Now I need one knife to open another. Notice that's a one-handed folder. The original Navaja design required two hands to open, but was still a huge innovation at the time because you could fit a knife, or really a quality fighting knife, into a pocket. It didn't have to be in a sheath on your belt or that kind of thing. Speaking of sheaths, I get one with this knife. Nice little bonus. So you can see how small the total package is here, right? And part of that is the advantage of having a knife that's folded up. And finally, let's take a look at it. So it's small, but a beauty. A little bit of an up-close view. It's just got that awesome, characteristic, curved, tapering handle. And you can really feel it lock into place as you finalize opening it. It wasn't difficult to open. I was just kind of stressing that so you could see. And there it is in hand. And once you do have it open, it is not going to close easily. So again, these were used for fighting. Now on this particular model, if I want to close it up, then I've got to open the latch here, push a little bit, and now it's good to go. You just smoothly close it. And talked about knife fighting, which is definitely a part of Spanish culture. This one here is more of just, kind of a utilitarian pocket knife, but they did make it nice and sharp. Great little knife. I think it'll serve me for many years, and mostly I was just super excited to actually buy a classic Spanish knife in Spain, much less in Toledo, of all places. Does it look a little touristy with the word Toledo written on the blade? Other side. Maybe, but I really don't care. This is not a cheap, touristy knife. They had a lot of those in a lot of shops in Spain, but this is a real quality piece of work. Solid as a rock and sharp as a tack. My new favorite knife. Thanks.